At this point, we'd like to invite up Clara, Alan and Lizzie to sing a song that is special to the couple.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my ma and pa, not the way that I do love you.
I vow to love and comfort you, hold you close, prize you above all others, and remain faithful to you all the days of our lives. I cannot wait to grow old with you. I love you.
I scream it to the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need.
To make your relationship work will take love. It will take trust to know that in your hearts you truly want what is best for each other. And it will take commitment to hold true to the journey you have both pledged today. It is my great honor and delight to declare you married. Not yet! Anton, you may not kiss the bride. Again. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so very pleased to present the newlyweds, Lucy and Anton.
I'm back and not ashamed to cry. Ooh, baby, here I am. I'm still delivered. I'm yours. Here I am, baby. Oh, you got my future in your hands.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Can we please welcome the newlyweds, Lucy and Anton.